Rickman. Rickman makes vlog. Hindi ko na makita ang comments. Sa Rickman, nakatulog ka oras siya kagabi. Ayan, tapos pula na ito. Yung 18 minutes tayo sa highlights niya kasi pula na ang 18 minutos. Tapos na napanood. Ayan, highlights tayo kay Sir Rickman. Highlights. Highlights, Sir Rickman. Pang trend na tusok. Harang ni Sir Rickman. Harang. Followers na ako kay sis. Lane Tauro Sibuhana. Followers na ako sisi. Ayan, i-watch out ko lang muna. I-shout out. Shout out. Ayan, dito na ako sa play na kita sa Rickman. Salamat sa paharang. Ayan, dan followers na ako kay at harang sis Lane Tauros Sibuhana SG. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. The amazing energetic Joshua is in the house. This is the amazing energetic Joshua. Oh yes, your GF here. She's live now, Josh. The Lane Tauros Sibuhana SG. Ayan, thank you Josh. Maraming salamat Josh. Thank you so much. Tamsak Dan kay Limsy. Ayan, maraming salamat. Sebastian Dan, Sir Rickman, salamat po. Limsy, TV Mix, please connect back to Rickman Mix Vlog, okay? Ayan. Anuhan mo talaga yan, Limsy, kasi yan mga sila, pag nagpunta ka sa live nila, ayudahan ka pa. Kaya ang sekreto dyan, kapag nag-live, punta kayo sa mga nag-live para dagdagan kayo ni host. Yon ang sekreto. Mahiligan yung magpunta sa mga every other live, not only one live stream, no. You have to explore in YT world. Okay? So you have so that you can get a lot of subscribers. Good morning to you also, Tanda Shaju. Ayan, from Sir Rickman. Tamsak Dan po. Ayan, talagang salamat. Ay, si Amazing, parang Filipino si Amazing, guys. Parang Filipino na siya. Thank you, Josh. Shout out, host. Ayan, salamat. Shout out din sa'yo, the energetic Joshua. Ayan, congratulate again, ha. Both of you, Lane Tauros, Sibuhana SG, and to you, ayan. Sana ay tagumpay kayo sa inyong pagiging, end relation. Okay? Thank you so much. Whatever obstacles, you can survive it. Okay? That's only the pagsubok or trials in life. How you are being a strong human being. Mighty do ha? La 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 la. A green grass of hope. Ayan, next film tayo guys. Okay na po ang next natin. Sir okay. Oh yes, ayan, nandyan siya around guys. Sir okay. Please connect. Ayan, it's good. It's very good for you guys that EOK will notice on you. Ayan, making sure that you bring your main channel to comments on his video. EOK, act of knowledge. Ayan, yan po ang ibig sabihin ng EOK. Shout out Ma'am Eileen na imbang na aldaw, alae. Ayan, 4 letters. 4 letters. Delhi, OF. What does it mean, 4 letters? Ganda umaga. Oh, yes, talaga. Ay, ayan, puntahan ko na muna si Sir Boathouse Family Vlog in Bohol. Oh, yes, mega love shoutout. Say hi to your wife, Sir Boathouse. Ayan, ganda ng boses niya. Family Vlog. Ganda ng boses niya, guys. Asawa ni Sir Boathouse. Ganda. Ako'y nai-in-love sa kanyang boses. Ayan na tayo sa 15 minutes. Redefining Valentine's Day, less romance, more joy. Ayan, harang. Harang ako kay Sir Boat House Vlog. Oh, yeah!